Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for May 22nd, brought to you today by editorial researcher Olivia Roger. In our top news story, the FDA approved Dova Pharmaceuticals' Doptelet as the first treatment for adults with thrombocytopenia due to chronic liver disease who are slated to undergo a medical or dental procedure. The agency's Richard Pazder said, this drug may decrease or eliminate the need for platelet transfusions, which are associated with risk of infection and other adverse reactions. Also in the news, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories' fourth quarter profit declined 3.3% to 3 billion rupees, missing analyst estimates of around 3.8 billion rupees. Sales fell less than 1% to 35.3 billion rupees, below forecasts of about 37.1 billion rupees, hit by headwinds in the US and a temporary drop in sales in Russia. In other news, Celgene acknowledged that head of business development, George Golombeski, left the company last month, sending shares down nearly 5%. However, RBC Capital Markets analyst Brian Abrahams noted that Golombeski's departure was planned years in advance. In addition, results from a Phase 1-2 trial showed that all 15 patients with severe or moderately severe hemophilia B, given Pfizer and Spark Therapeutics SPK 9001, no longer required routine Factor IX concentrate infusions. The companies also noted that none of the patients experienced serious adverse reactions or thrombotic events or developed Factor IX inhibitors after being given the gene therapy. And finally, results from a Phase 1-2 study showed that BioMarin Pharmaceuticals' valoctocogene roxaparvovec was associated with reductions of up to 97% in the mean annualized bleeding rate in patients with severe hemophilia A. Further, 71% and 86% of patients treated with the gene therapy experienced no bleeding events requiring Factor VIII infusions in years 1 and 2 of treatment, respectively, compared to 14% at baseline. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.